Hey guys, welcome to Code with AS. Today we will work on web scraping using Python programming language. Scraping the data from a website using BeautifulSoup. As I delved into web scraping, I stumbled upon a simple and effective way to extract data using Python. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing me to gather valuable information from websites with ease. With just a few steps, I could unravel insights and uncover hidden gems in the vast digital landscape. Most of the website does not give access to scrape their data. So today I'll web scrape my blog page. You can also download the code from the description. I'll share the file. Now let's jump into the coding part. Step 1. Install the required libraries. The code begins by installing two libraries, Requests and BS4, which is BeautifulSoup, using the pip package manager. These libraries are required for making HTTP requests and parsing HTML, respectively. Step 2. Importing libraries. After installing the package, the necessary libraries, Requests and BeautifulSoup, are imported using the import statements. Before moving to step 3, if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And press the bell icon. Want to learn about Python tips and tricks? Check my shorts. Writing the comment is important so that it can be easily readable to next programmer who can work on this file and can locate each section without any problem. Now jump to next steps. Step 3. Getting the web page content. Here my blog's URL link, which is https://codingwithus.blogspot.com/ stored in a variable, is assigned with the website's address that we want to scrape. The get function from the requests library is used to retrieve the content of the web page. Then the content attribute of the response object is accessed to get the HTML content of the web page. Then the web page content is then passed to the BeautifulSoup constructor along with the parser, HTML parser, to create a BeautifulSoup object. Sometimes websites does not provide access to scrape their website. If you want to scrape the data, you have to take permission for that. Step 4. Scraping data from the web page. The code identifies the specific data that needs to be scraped from the web page using the find_all method of the BeautifulSoup object. In this case, it searches for all H3 elements with the class attribute post title. The result is stored in the scrapee data variable. Step 5. Printing the scraped data. The code prints the scraped data by directly accessing the scrapee data variable. This will display the HTML tags along with the text content of the elements. Final step 6. Cleaning the scraped data. A list named scrapee data_list is created to store the cleaned data. Then a loop is used to iterate over each element in the scrapee data list. Then the text attribute is accessed for each element to retrieve only the text content, excluding the HTML tags. The cleaned data is printed for each iteration. The code essentially fetches the HTML content of a web page, extracts specific data using BeautifulSoup, and then prints the scraped data after cleaning it. These are the few steps in which you can web scrape the data easily. You can try, and if you like to share some thoughts on this, please comment. I trust that you have gained valuable insights from this video. Wishing you a fulfilling learning journey. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative and useful, Please consider following me on links mentioned in the description. Like, share, or subscribe. Code with AS for more videos.